writers, welcome to week 16. We are now officially in the home stretch of the semester. We have basically 2 weeks left, a week and a half of actual work, and then we go into finals week, week 17, which is next week, starting Thursday. Our schedules will be on final schedule. Fortunately, in here we don't have a final. We are wrapping up with the journal on A Tale for the Time Being and the quiz on Tale for the Time Being. We have 2 more discussions and then 1 next week, and that's it. So what you see on the homepage now is officially the rest of the work for the remainder of the next 2 weeks. Technically 3 weeks if we count finals week, but again, we do not have a final in our class. Yay! 1 less final. Instead, we have the quiz and the journal. What's happening this week? There's 2 discussions this week. One of them is addressing part 3 of our novel, pages 259 to 355. It's a shorter chunk compared to the others. Basically, you're going to read that section of the book. You're going to discuss one of the chapters by connecting it to the story concepts. In paragraph 2, you're going to relate it to today. How is her story relevant? You're going to respond to someone else. Going back to the home page, the second discussion is on literary criticism for Tale for the Time Being. You're going to hop onto the VC Library database, and you're going to look for a source that addresses an issue or discusses A Tale for the Time Being by Ozeki. If you can't find one or you're feeling overwhelmed and stressed, you're welcome to find an article going online or a source that you could use if you're writing a literary analysis interpretation of the novel, a credible source. So that could be any kind of source dealing with any of the issues you see in her book, whether it's issues of war, issues of bullying, issues of suicide, issues of not fitting in, any of those themes. What kind of source would you use? So get creative on this one. This is kind of to simulate if you were going to write a literary criticism, what would you use? What kind of sources would you draw on? So again, that's the second discussion for week 16. Going back to the home page, that's what's happening this week. Sit back, relax, find your cozy, warm reading spot, snuggle up with a blanket and your cat, or your dog, or someone else, and enjoy the last couple weeks of our semester. Have a wonderful week.